In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balance in Zoho Books. Managing your business's finances smoothly requires proper setup, and entering your opening balance is an essential part of that process. Whether you are transitioning from another accounting system or starting fresh, this tutorial will guide you through these steps seamlessly. First, let's access the settings to find where we need to enter the opening balances. Begin by looking towards the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. There you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This action will lead you to a page where you'll find various configuration settings for your organization. Once you're there, focus on the section labeled Organization. Under this section, you should see an option for opening balances. Select this option. This is where you'll enter all the necessary information to set up your opening balances effectively. Next, you'll need to set the opening balance date. This date is crucial as it will establish when you start recording in Zoho Books. Typically, it should either be the date when you begin using Zoho Books or the end date of the previous accounting period. For those moving from another system, it usually makes sense to set this date as of the last date you entered any financial information in your previous system. By doing so, you ensure that your financial records remain consistent and up to date. Understanding what an opening balance is can be incredibly beneficial here. Simply put, it's the amount of money in your company's account at the start of a financial period. It acts as a baseline from which all future transactions are measured and recorded. This validates accuracy in your accounting financial records from the start, allowing Zoho Books to calculate the current balance correctly once you start adding daily transactions. So, once you've got your opening balance date set up, you're ready to enter the actual financial figures. This involves inputting balances for assets, liabilities, and equity as they stand at your opening balance date. Make sure to have your financial documents and previous records on hand. It's often helpful to cross-reference these details with your last balance sheet to ensure that all numbers are accurate and complete. Ensuring everything is in place and correct will save you time and frustration down the line. Remember, accurate opening balances are pivotal for your overall financial health. They lay the groundwork for all future bookkeeping activities. If something appears to be off or doesn't reconcile as you go along, this initial setup is often the first place to check. It might be beneficial to consult with, or even hire, an accountant during this stage if you're unsure, especially when dealing with complicated accounts. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to entering your opening balance in Zoho Books. With your opening balance set up, you'll be ready to manage your finances with confidence. Let's move forward with utilizing Zoho Books to its full potential.